It's got the magic hands.
Uh-oh.
It's funny how I do it the quickest. Like, I do it too quick. You guys do it slow. You and Jennifer usually have more time. Holographic
Nice
one?
one. Ooh, that's the one we got as a promo.
It's a holographic. I mean, not the evolved form.
Yeah. Oh, I like that one.
That one's cool. It's like really. Ooh, we got that one right here.
Two of them.
That one. So you got the reverse color.
Ooh, what do we get? What do we
You
get?
want something good?
Pain.
Oh, pain.
Oh, it's the big.
Chin.
Imagine we get the black card.
Well, I think she opened up a white pack, so we're gonna get a white card in here.
Yeah, I'll open the white.
It's two different sets with this one.
White card, how much is that?
Like
They're a little
200,
less. The black are more.
175. I don't know. Something. Yes! Something's better than nothing.